Hello class 6 students, this is your computer studies practical section. I am Ms. Ritobrata Bandopadhyay and today I am going to teach you how to insert a mail merge in MS Word. This practical work is for 12th of August 2020. Hello students, today I am going to tell you something about mail merge. Mail merge is a feature from MS Word by which we can send any information to a number of people by writing the information just for one time. That means we write the information just for one time, and with the help of this mail merge we can send this information to a number of recipients. So this is the main feature of mail merge. Today in practical section I am going to teach you how to create a mail merge. Just remember, this is a practical based chapter. Don't put the stress on the theory. If you can't practice this practical section at your home, then don't worry, we will teach you once the school is open. Okay students, so let's go to the practical section. Hello students, today I am going to teach you how to insert a mail merge in MS Word. For this, first you have to click on this Mailings tab. Here you will get an option Start Mail Merge. Click on the arrow beside it. Next you will get an option called Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. Click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will get a wizard that is you can see at the right side of your writing area. By default the letters is selected. Click on this next step, that is starting document. Here you will get three options, that is use from current document, start from a template and start from existing document. As we don't have any existing document and we are not going to start it from a template, so use this option, that is use the current document. Next click on this next option for select recipients. Here also you will get three options like this. Use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts and type a new list. So here we will click on this type a new list. When you will click on this option, you will get another option called create. Click on there. A new dialog box will open with new address list. This dialog box will open with new address list. Here you have to fill up some basic details about the recipients. Suppose here for this first case I am going to write the title Mr. First name A, B, C, last name X, Y, Z, the company name MNC and the address list as Kolkata. Here are some more information that we can put here like address line to city, state, zip code, country, home phone and etc. But here I just want to put these basic details for recipient 1. Next, if we want to add another recipient, then we have to click on this new entry option. See, another row is there. So here suppose I want to write Mrs. name is XYZ, last name ABC, company suppose MNO and the address I am putting here Delhi. The address line I am putting here Delhi. Now two recipients are already added. I don't want to add any more recipients, that is why I will click on this OK option. If you want to add more recipient, then again click on this new entry and add more recipients. Here I will click on OK. When you will click on OK, you have to save these recipients list. So just put any name there like ABC and just click on this save option. After saving, you will get a dialog box like this. Just click on this OK. Click on this OK. Next, step 3 out of 6, that is we have to write our letter. So here I am going to write a letter like 2. Then we will enter the cursor, then we will write there, please visit our school. Suppose we want to send some invitations to more than one people for visiting our school. So we will write the body like, please visit our school. Next, here you will get 4 options, that is address block, greeting line, electronic postage and more items. First click on this line between 2 and this, please visit our school. Just click in between 2 lines and then choose this option more items. Here we in the previously when we are putting the recipient's details, we have entered the title, first name, last name, company name and address line 1. Okay. So just double click on that, title, first name, last name, company name and address line 1. Click on this close option. See, these the options are inserted like this. The options will be inserted like this. Just select it and press the space bar to give space between these two. So the first line is title, first name, last name and the second line, that is company name, and we will write the address in the next line. So we will click on this enter button from keyboard. After finishing this, just click on this preview your letters. Just click on this option, preview your letters. See, when you will click on this option, you will get all the recipients one by one. Here you will get all the recipient list you have already inserted. This is recipient 1 to Mr. ABC XYZ, recipient 2 Mr. XYZ ABC, MNO is the company name, Delhi is the address line. Okay. After that, at the last step, you have to click on this complete the merge. If you want to print the letters, you have to click on this print option. Otherwise, you can edit the individual letters by clicking on this edit individual letter option. Here you have to select this option all and then OK. Then you can see the letters individually like this. Okay. So this is how we insert a mail merge in MS Word. I hope you have already understood it. So in the next week, I am going to teach you how to insert mail merge again. I am going to teach you this topic. So thank you students. See you in the next week.